Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something close to my heart, food and recipe books. As a passionate home cook, I believe that a great cookbook is like a trusted friend, guiding us through culinary adventures. In this video, I'll be sharing my personal recommendations for must-have food and recipe books. Let's jump right in. So today I am going to share with you some books that I read and help me to have more knowledge that I can use inside the kitchen. The first book will be Mastering the Art of French Cooking by Julia Child. Now, let's start with a true classic, Mastering the Art of French Cooking by the one and only Julia Child. This book holds a special place in my heart. Julia's detailed instructions, charming anecdotes, and her passion for French cuisine truly shine through its pages. Trust me, it's like having your very own French culinary mentor. Don't worry, in my next video I will make review individually about each book that I mentioned today with you. The next book, The Flavor Bible, by Karen Page and Andrew Dornenburg. This is a book that's less about recipes and more about unlocking your creativity in the kitchen. The Flavor Bible. This treasure trove of flavor combinations is a constant source of inspiration for me. Whether I'm experimenting with new ingredients or improvising with what I have on hand, the Flavor Bible never fails to guide me towards incredible taste experiences. Well, the third book, If You Are Vegan, will help you and you will enjoy reading this book. This is Plenty by Yotam Ottolenghi. It will explore the world of vegetarian cuisine with Plenty by the talented Yotam Ottolenghi. This book celebrates the vibrancy and versatility of vegetables, taking us on a journey through bold Middle Eastern and Mediterranean flavors. The stunning visuals and inventive recipes make it a true feast for the eyes and the taste buds. And the last book for this day will be the Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat by Samin Nosrat. Last but not least, I want to share a book that has truly transformed the way I approach cooking, Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat by Samin Nosrat. This book goes beyond just recipes. It breaks down the fundamental elements of cooking and empowers you to trust your instincts and create amazing dishes. It's like having a seasoned chef whispering their secrets in your ear. In my next video I will share with you what I love about these books. We will discuss it deeply. And also, if you have recommendations, you can comment down below. And if you read these books already, share and comment down below your experience. Let's share knowledge, guys. These are just a few of my personal favorites, but the world of food and recipe books is vast and full of hidden treasures. Remember, a cookbook is more than just a collection of recipes, it's a gateway to new flavors, techniques, and endless culinary possibilities. That wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, I hope you do. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delectable content. Let me know in the comments which food and recipe books you adore and any other recommendations you'd like to share. Until we meet again, keep exploring, experimenting, and enjoying the magic of cooking.